Hey everyone, imagine this. You're sitting with your family. You open WhatsApp to check statuses, but suddenly you see some dirty channels you don't want to see. It feels embarrassing, right? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to hide these WhatsApp channels forever. So, let's get started. Now, WhatsApp doesn't give us a simple delete option for these channels. I searched a lot and finally found a way that actually works. Yes, it takes a little time, but trust me, it's worth it. Here's what you need to do. Open WhatsApp and go to the Status or Channels tab. Press and hold the channel you don't want to see. Now, tap the eye icon. This will hide the channel forever. That's it. The channel is gone, and you won't see it again. But remember, there's no option to select all channels at once. You have to hide them one by one. Yes, it's a bit slow, but it's the only way for now. So now you know how to hide dirty WhatsApp channels permanently. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. I'll keep bringing you more WhatsApp tips and tricks that make your life easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.